So, andito tayo ngayon sa Royal Palm Residences in Acacia Estates to check a foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is Kata Building, no? Kata Building 77.5 square meters. Okay. And around 5.9 million or 77,000 per square meter. This is for bidding. Ano kaya to? Kwarto kaya to? Kalaki. So, second floor lang siya. Ayan. Bedroom 1, may access sa balcony facing the amenity area or the swimming pool. And then, ito yung isang kwarto. Bedroom 2. And then, ito yung CR niya. So, natirhan siya before. Ito yung isang kwarto, hindi mabuksan. Wala na, ano na to? Ayan. So, this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance through bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make a bid and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. Okay, this is as is where is upon turnover.